Hi guys, this is Paul again, the middle-aged, balding, bearded, slightly chubby guy, trying to explain financial services to you guys at home in the easiest way possible. So today we're asking the question, why do you need life insurance? Well, let's start by saying that life insurance isn't sexy. It's not fun to talk about. However, life insurance is an essential part of financial planning. Most people know that they need life insurance deep down, but they are reluctant to talk about the consequences of not having it in place and what would happen in the event of their death. However, there's some serious benefits to buying insurance early on, especially if you have a mortgage or a partner or children. Ask yourself the question, would someone in my life be disadvantaged financially by my death? And if the answer to that question is yes, then you need life insurance. Life insurance is primarily used to pay off any debts that you leave behind and ensure that your loved ones do not struggle after your passing. So let's have a look at debts first. People often assume that debt is credit cards and loans, and of course it is. However, people often fail to think about their biggest debt, which is of course their mortgage. If you were to die suddenly, would your family be able to cover the mortgage, loans, bills and living expenses on one income? Most of the families that I meet would really struggle in this situation. The property could be repossessed as a result, and your loved one's lifestyle could change dramatically. Imagine going from two incomes down to one income and having to pay all of those joint bills on the one income. We're talking about council tax, mortgage, water rates, fuel costs. What impact would that have on your family? You need to be honest with yourself and ask the question, if you were to die, how would you want to leave your family financially? Secure or struggling day to day? I know what most people would like to do. It's not a pleasant thing to think about, but it is important, and at the very least you should always make sure that your mortgage and your debts are covered. A lot of people like to do a little bit more and leave a lump sum for the family as well, just to replace that missing income and make sure the lifestyle can be continued for the family. A lot of my clients are very surprised when they look at simple life insurance, protecting the mortgage and leaving a lump sum, how little that costs. And of course, life insurance is age costed, so the older you get, the more it costs to take it out, to the point where a lot of people, as they get older, can't actually afford basic life insurance. So with life insurance, it's fixed at the time you take it out. So if you take it out while you're young, you're paying a small amount, and that will stay the same all the way through the policy. So the savvy amongst us take out life insurance while we're young, run it for a long time. That covers you and gives you that amazing peace of mind that if something happens to you, your family are going to be okay after you've gone. That's a really nice thought and takes a lot of pressure and weight off your shoulders. Now, with anything financial services, it can be a little bit scary and overwhelming. Don't be afraid to ask questions. That's the whole point of this channel. Please, if you're not sure about something, if I haven't explained the detail that you want to know, just ask me. Contact me by email or in the comments. I'll get back to each and every one of you, and I'm here to help. I've made a lot of other videos on critical illness, income protection, family income benefit, etc. Watch them, learn a little bit, and you'll be surprised at how these things can help you and your family, and hopefully you'll understand how they all work together by the end of these videos, and you'll have a thorough knowledge of what's going to work for you. Now, I'm trying to share this knowledge, so please like, share and subscribe, and watch out for my next videos, and I look forward to seeing you then. This was Paul Explains. See you next time.